Okay, now that you've seen that animation, which is, there's the URL for that. So you can go play with that. It's fun. Even my daughter wandered in when I was doing this and she said, oh yeah, that's really cool, Dad. Anyway, you can go look at that. The big idea is this. I just want to cut to the chase. Solids and liquids have some force that sort of keep the particles together. Some force holds, attracts particles together. Now, in the animation, we were looking at water molecules. So we could say, oh, there is some intermolecular force. There's something holding the particles together. On the other hand, the gases, there was no glue, no attractive force. The particles were just independent to sort of bounce around like air hockey.